Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the drive interface so you buy the correct SSD. SATA and NVMe behave differently and need different sockets. Once done, back up your data immediately and gather tools: screwdriver, SATA cable, or M, 2 standoff, and a power connector. Make a bootable USB with your OS installer. This avoids dependency on the old drive. Make sure firmware and BIOS access are noted now so you can change boot order when the SSD is installed. Power off and unplug the PC, then ground yourself to avoid static damage. Remove the case panel and locate the drive bay or M2 slot. Once done, mount the SSD, secure a 2.5 drive in a bracket or insert M2 on the correct slot and screw the standoff. Connect SATA and power cables if applicable. Next, boot into BIOS, switch SATA mode to ASI for best performance or ensure NVMe is enabled, and set your USB installer as first boot, so the OS can be written. Install the OS onto the SSD, choosing UEFI/GPT for modern boots and creating necessary partitions. This gives faster boot and better reliability. Once installed, update SSD firmware and motherboard drivers, enable trim, and adjust power settings so the drive stays responsive. If you prefer migration, clone the old drive before wiping it. If the drive isn't recognized, make sure cables are firmly seated. Try a different SATA port or adapter and update BIOS. If problems persist, test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.